Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Revision for Unit Test 3. So dear students, you know that from next week, 15th February onwards, our third unit test will begin. Okay, and we have two chapters, especially I'm talking about in our subject English. Two chapters are there, Unit 1 and Unit 2. So let us revise. In Unit 1, you have to prepare all the words, all the keywords you have to prepare in Unit 1. Okay, in that strong desire wise action that you have to do. Then about your ideas, whatever ideas are given, that also you should prepare. You should read about The Adventure of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain, about Aunt Polly, about Tom, about Jim, his friends, and what things he gave for exchanging painting. That also you should read. Okay, then you should also read some of the expressions which are given, like source. About source you should read. Okay, that can be asked. About neutral summary, about summary. Then after 20 years, O. Henry, he has written. About him also you can prepare. And all the meanings which I have given in your PDF, in the PDF form I have given, that also you should read. All kind of question answer. Okay, fill in the blanks also I have asked from textbook. One word, one line question answer also I have asked from textbook. That also you can read. Then sequence, about sequence also we have already discussed, I explained, that also you can do. Referencing, then referencing identifies the source, about reference, and referencing also you can study, that you have to prepare reference. Okay, then about Mark Twain, the main idea and his explanation which we have discussed, strong desire wise action, that also you can prepare, that also you can do. Okay, now Unit 2. In Unit 2, let me sum up. In that also all the meanings which I have sent in a PDF and whatever there in textbook, that also you have to do. Okay, you should study everything about Golden Log, King Golden Logs, how many years the book remain away, then who has written it, who is a publisher, who is a translator, everything in which place it was discovered, everything you should read, you should understand. His father, his friend, about giant, about the snake, okay, venom, everything you should study. About queen, then princess, about everything you should study. Okay, his life, then what difficulty he had, that you should read. Who said to whom also you can prepare. Okay, then in this question tag also you have to do. Question tag also I will ask in your unit test 3. Okay, for example, here example is given that he was singing happily. The answer is wasn't he? He was singing happily. The answer is wasn't he? I will ask he was singing happily. Then I will put dash and I have given that add question tag. And you should write answer wasn't he and question mark. If you do this, then 1 mark you will get. Okay, so question tag also you have to do. Okay, then about source, then about neutral summary, references of source. Okay, that also you can read, you can prepare for it. About Mark Twain, his idea, which is given in activity 4-5, that also you have to do. Then again the sequence is given in activity number 6, that also you should do. Activity 7 also you study, activity 7 also you prepare, activity 8 also you have to prepare. In that peer group is given. Okay, about peer and peer group, that also you have to do. Okay, so in a unit 1 all the activities you have to do, and in unit 2 1 to 8 activity you do. 1 to 8 activity 9 10 11 no need to do. Activity 9 10 11 will not be asked in your unit test 3. Only activity 1 2 3 4 6 7 and 8 you do. Okay, so 1 to 8 activity in unit 2 and all the activities in unit 1. So everything you prepare, everything you do. Okay, fill in the blanks also you do, one word question answer also you do, one line question answer also you do, then question tag also you do, question answer which are also given 4-5 lines, that also you have to do. Okay, likewise you prepare for your English unit test. Okay, so wish you a best of luck for your unit test. Okay, may God bless you. So thank you very much. Goodbye.